I don't know what day it is, but it's Redbird time.
It's Redbird Day.
Cold as it is, I wouldn't leave my baby dog. Cold as it is, I wouldn't leave.
Today, we replaced a door with an even bigger door that didn't fit.
We just took out the door here and we are going to put a larger door in, which we need to extend the door frame in order for it to fit. It's a 4-foot wide door. Big adventure.
I saw you walking on the water while I was drowning underneath. I was just like any other dog, pulling me into the.
It is Wednesday and we have a free day from the work site and we're at Cumberland Falls.
Cold as it is, I wouldn't leave. Cold as it is, I wouldn't leave my baby dog. I wouldn't leave my.
We're at the water park right now.
Yeah, we just finished up at the lake with that epic waterfall, but now it's time for water to fall in a different way.
Today is Thursday and we're back at this house finishing the door. We're gonna stain it.
Oh, but darling, it's so natural way you bring me to my knees.
Today, we're fixing up this bathroom. It's been closed for a while.
Cold as it is, I wouldn't.
I mocked 3 times because people kept tracking in mud after I asked very politely not to go in there, but that's okay. No, it's not. I mocked really hard.
Well, we came to Redbird and we repaired a bunch of houses.
We installed a door for a handicapped, elderly, disabled lady, and so she could go outside, which she hadn't been outside in 4 weeks.
Those people there, we interacted with them a lot and they had a lot of fun. Especially Jacob and Isaac.
I think there were a lot of little things we did that made huge impacts on the lives of the people that we helped. And there was a lot we did bonding with other communities, and that was special too.